Can you imagine? It is not even half. They are known as a private sector.
You have no, you know
I
that.
have a lot
but
of
you
examples.
don't accept.
Let
But you
me
don't
speak.
want to
I have a lot
accept
of
about it.
examples. I'm asking you.
I'm asking you.
So that's why I'm answering you.
I'm asking you.
And I'm answering you.
सर प्राइवेट सेक्टर जो सॉरी एम्प्लॉयज जो होते हैं वो लोग इसलिए हार्ड वर्किंग ज्यादा करते हैं क्योंकि उन लोगों को पता होता है कि अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोगों की जॉब चली जाएगी,
Who said this?
सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती.
So is it not corruption? Which thing?
Okay.
Which value?
I also have an example.
Which value are you talking about?
Okay, baseless. Your points are baseless. बेबुनियाद. Scams of the world are done by the private employees.
How? How can you prove it?
The definition of job that is you are working under someone.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate,
I want to give the answer of her. Sir, she said.
I have a point. That when COVID-19 were in Pakistan, so when all sectors were off, private sector and also government sectors, but government sector were giving their employees salary at the time of COVID-19. So what do you think?
Sir, I didn't get her point because I was not audible. She's saying in the time of COVID-19, during COVID-19, all the government employees were receiving their salaries on time. What about the private sector?
But sir, the private sector, those who were doing the private job in homes, so sir, they were also receiving the salaries at their dates as compared to government sector.
But that is not job. But that is not job. You
Can
are
you please speak
self-employed.
loudly?
It means you are self-employed. The definition of job that is you are working under someone.
Okay,
But
so
if
what are you trying to say that in COVID-19, government officers were also going for their jobs because in that time there also sir, मतलब वो लगा हुआ था. There was a lockdown. So what?
So
What are you
they
trying to say?
are doing government job. So that's why. So they were receiving.
So they were also doing self job, self employment.
How private jobs are very
Yes, how private? Sir, me. Sir, first I have a question from her. Sir, as she said that in government sectors they don't fire. So let I give you the example that if police is a government government sector. Okay, so in a policeman who is doing the mistake again and again and again and again, and he is doing the corruption and he is doing a lot of things which are not right.
Sorry, I am not getting your point.
Okay, मैं बताऊँ. Police is a government department. Okay.
Yeah.
So if a policeman who is doing a mistake again and again and again and again, and he is not admit the orders from those who give from जो उसे ऊपर से मिला orders, ठीक है, those who give from their seniors, and he is doing mistake again and again, and he is doing that things which are not right for human being. So a police department have to fire that worker.
So I am not getting him point.
I said twice. Sir, I said twice. Yes, sir.
I want to give answer your question.
Louder, speak louder.
You said a policeman.
Confident, louder.
You said a policeman doing a lot of mistakes, and the government sectors give her or give him a lot of chance. But in a
But
private
how many
sector,
chance does he give to her if he is doing again and again mistake, and the mistake is very unbelievable, yes, unacceptable. So what do you think?
but a person learn with their mistakes.
Can you repeat it again?
A person learn the mistake with mistakes.
So, as she said that the government sectors don't fire their workers. So I am giving the example of as she said.
But I want to say something.
Yes.
You are saying in a government sector there a person, a policeman doing a lot of mistake, but in they gave chance. But in
So
a
how
private
many chance
sector,
does he or she give to the policeman?
Because of that,
What are the positives of government jobs? Can you define the positives of government jobs? Can anyone stand up and define only positives in words? What you get if somebody has got a government job or doing a government job, or somebody has been doing a government job for few years? What are the benefits does one get? What are those benefits? Can you mention? Yes, just
Assalamualaikum. My name is Savera. I am a student, Journal 3, English in Yakut Colony Institute.
just tell us the benefits of government jobs.
Benefit is
And
government
listen to
job,
her. You have to reply. All of you need to reply her. Listen to her.
job security and stability.
Okay, job security and
Stability.
stability,
No risk without
No
tension,
risk.
peaceful life.
no risk and peaceful
Peaceful
life.
life.
Okay.
Government
Now
employees
reply.
are
In private sectors, we are self-developer, we are self-upgraders. So that's why if we will do great work, if we will do best
No,
work.
no, what she said. She said what? Repeat. Just repeat.
peaceful life, no tension, and facilities and stabilities. Government employees are a successful person in society and respectable person in society.
Your reply.
Who said you there are no any person who had a private job and he is not successful? Who said you that? They are also successful, which has the private job, but
Just leave it, keep it apart. I just want to say that the words, sir, उसको ये बोलते हैं कीमत, the value of the words of a government employee is more than of private employee. The words of government employees is acceptable in every institutions. Okay, but as compare it to with if we compare it to private employees, there is no surety of their words. So this is a very important and beneficial thing for a government employee.
which work you are talking about? Because they all are, I think, corrupt. Because if we are, they all are corrupt. No, sir, government employees. Government, because sir, I have an example. Sir, let me complete my point.
Government employees they are doing corruption.
Sir,
In government office.
let me clear my point. I have an example of someone. That was my relative, and she gave the exam. She gave the exam of CSS, and he got passed. He got passed, and after that, when he went to the interview, so they said, the interview taker said to her, how much will you pay us? So is it not corruption? Which thing?
Okay.
Which value?
I also have an example.
Which value are you talking
I
about?
also have a personal experience and example also.
Yes.
Let me give you. My sister is a doctor. Okay, I don't disclose the name of the institution, but when he went there when she went there for the job, they asked her for 45 lakhs for the job. Okay, so is this a good thing of the private institution?
Listen, don't talk about minority. Talk about majority. Majority of government employees are
Okay.
majority of government employees
let me
are
tell you-
corrupt because you know
I
that,
have a lot
but
of
you
examples.
don't accept.
Let
But you
me
don't
see.
want to
I have a lot
accept
of
about it.
examples. I have a lot of examples.
You have. Yeah.
You are just sharing a random example. I am sharing a personal example.
I have shared personal example.
Let me complete, brother.
Okay.
A lot of scams in the world are done by the private employees in the history of the world. You take out all the scam, Enron scam, the 1992 scam, and a lot of scams are there. All are done by the private employees, not by the government employees.
According to you, don't you think that your thing is that there is no any corruption in government sectors?
I am not saying that. I am
But
saying
why
in
do you
private,
say that?
but in private
Yes,
institutions.
I have said that
Because
listen.
yeah.
First, let me clear. Then you can. I have already said that don't talk about minority. Talk about majority. Majority
This
of
is
workers are
this is what I'm
work
saying,
in
bro.
government sector.
This is what I'm saying. Sir, sir, this is what I'm saying. He's just talking about the minority. I'm saying majority of the scams of the world are done by the private employees.
How? How can you prove it? I have. You listen. Listen.
I can prove. I gave you the examples of a lot of
Listen.
scams. All are done by the private employees. Why
They
are you
have-
not getting the point?
Don't think that private. Don't talk about that private employees. Just talk about it.
Why
private
don't they-
worker, private sector, which is leading their company and which means-
let me just tell you about the topic. It is
Okay.
not about the private sector. It is about the private job. So I will talk about the private employees.
Okay.
You are wrong here, brother.
Give me the example.
I have given
don't
you
need
the
any
examples a lot of.
Where is the proof? How can I accept that?
it
I
is-
have gave you an
it is-
example of this. So where is your example which I can accept it?
It is proven by the law. You can find it anywhere. You didn't heard about the Enron. The 1992 scam is a very famous scam. Why you don't know
Listen,
about it?
listen,
It is a
if
very
I-
famous. And you are saying just give me an example. It is a very good example.
If I
If you don't know about anything, then you can't say that I don't know about it.
if I need to search, if
All of you are just saying nobody is supporting you from your group.
if
Sir, sir, they know the time enough.
Okay, anyone else? Can anyone else? Yes. Speak louder. Speak louder.
I have a question for you. If you will be have a chance to choose any,
You have a chance.
if you have a chance to choose any one sector like government job versus private job, so I'm 100% sure you will be choose government job because you know in government job we have a lot of benefits, but if we find in private sector, so it is very hard to find in private sector.
Okay, now first let me answer you. As you said that I will absolutely support government job. So first it's my opinion and let me select. So I will absolutely support private
Don't
job.
write me. Don't write me. You don't have to.
Yeah,
write me.
don't judge me, don't write me. You don't have right to judge me. And the second thing is I will absolutely support private jobs. Okay. I will absolutely support private jobs because globally it is 20 to 30% people are there who are known as the government sector and remaining 50 to 80%. Can you imagine? It is not even half. They are known as a private sector. Means they are doing a private job. And if you guys are supporting that government jobs are better, so why the majorities are doing private jobs? That is my question which I would like to ask you.
Can you tell me why you will be left government job?
Because I have not government job, that's why I will not leave.
No, if
Yes.
I'm asking to
I'm
you.
also asking you.
No, say I'm asking you.
I'm asking you.
Point out.
So that's why I'm answering you.
I'm asking you.
And I'm answering you.
First, I'm asking you.
So I have
So you
answered
should
you.
first give me answer.
Confidently, I'm asking you.
First, you should give me answer.
I have answered you, but I think you are not accepting my answer.
No. No. Tell me 5 benefits of private sector.
Okay, I can tell.
Yes.
First of all, we have extra time, part-time
Yes.
job we can do. Second, all you guys are supporting the job security. But don't you know that job security, we have job insecurity in government job as compared to private job. And the third thing is we can say like vacation, we can get a proper vacation.
But-
We can get, first let me complete.
Okay.
We can get proper bonus, promotions. Can you get all of these things as a government employer? No, you can't.
But private sectors are doing hard working. Are you agree with me?
What?
Private.
Every worker is a
No,
hard worker. It doesn't mean
private.
that no.
No, private employees are doing hard work.
Are you trying to say
they
that
are not
private
ensuring
employees not
security?
hard
They are not ensuring
Can
security.
anyone mention the hard work of government employees? Do you have any example how hard government employees are working in offices? Can anyone mention?
No answer.
Anyone?
First they are
working government employees.
First, they are not doing hard work. They are making interest from others. They are demanding money from others. They are not doing hard work.
Government sectors.
Yes, government
I am
sectors.
saying private employees are doing hard working because they are not ensuring about security or job.
What, sir? Sir, I didn't get it point.
I'm saying private employees are doing hard working because they are not sure about security their job. Yes, yes, because they are not sure about. No, sir वो लोग श्योर नहीं होते कि
She
हमारी
didn't give me
salary
the answer and she has accepted, sir.
नो सर प्राइवेट सेक्टर जो सॉरी एम्प्लॉयज जो होते हैं वो लोग इसलिए हार्ड वर्किंग ज्यादा करते हैं क्योंकि उन लोगों को पता होता है कि अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोगों की जॉब चली जाएगी
Who said this?
सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती yes and in the government job we have not to do a lot of work and pressure and hard working no
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, she has
They
accepted, sir.
are-
Sir,
no.
again she has
They are-
accepted. Sir, again she has accepted. Sir, again and again.
Yes, tell me what was your point?
Yes.
Tell me what was your point?
I told her that she said that government officers are hard workers and they are doing hard work and my point my point was that they are not doing hard work. They are just making the interest from others and they are just demanding the money from others. If a person passed a CSS exam, leave the CSS. If a person passed a government exam and the interview taker, as Anas said, and the interview taker demand. Yes, at the time of interview, they say that give me some money. Let me give you the example of now. Some days ago, the government jobs came in civil hospital, and the government job came in civil hospital, and the somehow my friend passed the passed the test, and when he made from the MS of civil hospital, he demanded that if you give me 12 lakhs, then we will hire you as a doctor. So what do you think about?
I don't think so about it because I don't think so about this because many private sector doing corruption because government sector don't do anything about this.
Wait.
Many corruption are doing by private sector.
So you are saying that there is no.
Let's talk about.
First, let me complete. You are saying that there is no government department who is doing a corruption.
Yes, there is
Give me
no
some example.
Okay.
What about FBR? They are FBR. Even if the our rising star, sir, वो javelin कौन जीत कर आया था? Arshad Nadeem. When he came Pakistan with her gold medal, so FBR put it the tax on it gold medal, but the tax उस पे tax नहीं लगना चाहिए था sir. That there should not have a tax on it government's medal.
This is your personal opinion. This is not the government opinion.
Oh.
Yes.
So is this not a corruption? Sir, but they are putting enough tax. Sir, but they are putting enough tax.
It's okay, but tax is legal. You
But-
can't question tax.
Okay. But sir,
Let's talk about your private sector doctors.
Okay.
When I got the job,
yes.
so they offered me to give them only 10 lakhs as a servant, to work as a servant. Why they offered me to give them 10 lakhs?
What? So as I told you, so why they demand? As I told you the example of civil hospital. So why they demanded the 12 lakhs?
So why your private sector offering us and wants our money?
So you are accepting that in government sectors there are also a corruption.
So you can accept that
No.
your private
Sir,
sector
he has
is
accepted
a
that.
corruption?
He said, yes sir.
No,
he has
sir, I
accepted.
can't accept it.
Sir,
I
sir he
cannot
has
accept it.
accepted. Sir, first he has.
No, sir.
Sir,
You mentioned the name of private body, private hospital, and then you are saying they asked me for 10 lakh rupees. Is that true?
To give them 10 lakh rupees to work as a servant.
but you
In
have
their hospital, in their
accepted.
hospital.
First, your partner has accepted. Then you, then Temur.
All right, all right, all right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, one and all. It was good having a group conversation, but this will continue. This is just part one, and we'll continue this tomorrow as well. So all must be okay, ready for that. Thank you very much.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.